and its implementation at my college. The contents of this webinar will be the various teaching methodologies used in education system, introduction to NPTEL and its offerings, and benefits of using NPTEL video lectures in engineering education system. Also, I will explore what we have been doing, how these activities have been implemented at my college. To begin with, the first teacher for any student is his or her mother. It is her moral values which are imbibed into the child at the beginning of the career, which makes his or her to rise to a level. In Indian scenario, in past, the education system started with Gurukul system, wherein the students or scholars used to go to the Gurukuls, stay there, serve the Gurus, and in turn gain the knowledge. This is considered to be the most effective form of education system, as the contact hour was very large. It was then, over a period of time, the scenario changed, and the classroom form of education system started, wherein the students started going to the schools. Initially, because of the non-availability of the infrastructure, the students need to sit on the ground, and the teacher, as you can see on the slide, without having any blackboard, is teaching to the students. Although it is a good contact, there is a good contact between the students and the teacher. Over a period of time, with the development in infrastructure and funding by various people, the classroom form of teaching started, where the students, as we can see, have proper seat and tables with proper rooms, proper lighting arrangement, and the teachers with boards. Now, with the requirement of the time, the scenario has changed, and when it is sometimes not possible for the scholars and students to go to schools, the distance form of learning emerged. In this, although the contact between the student and the teachers kept on is reduced, there is almost nil. However, this has emerged as one of the most effective form of teaching for the students who either are not able to go to the schools, or for people working in somewhere and getting enhancing their skills by higher education. So now this is on the screen I'm showing you the latest form of education system, where the entire course contents are loaded onto the central server, and the scholars or the students at their convenience can log on to the server, get the reading material, do the assignments online, and even attend to the examinations online. Now let us move on to the NPTEL. It is expanded as National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. Now this is an initiative by 7 IITs and IISc Bangalore. The various IITs which are part of this consortium include IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Guwahati, IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Madras, IIT Roorkee, and IISc Bangalore. Now the mission of NPTEL is to enhance the quality of engineering education in the country by providing free online courses. And its role is e-learning through online web and video courses. This is an initiative by NMEIC, National Mission on Education through ICT, and is regularly funded by MHRD, Ministry of Human Resources and Development, and the team comprises of professors from IITs and IISc Bangalore, and it has a continuous support financially from Government of India. The various streams covered by NPTEL include engineering, science, and humanities. The main focus of NPTEL initiative is on video lectures and written material. We will see, I will explore these in my coming slides. And each course, subject here it is called as course, comprises of 40 hours of duration, means there are approximately 40 video lectures for each course, and each is of approximately for 1 hour. And most of the engineering branches are covered. The details we will be seeing later on. And the main point is that the course contents are based on modern model curriculum suggested by All India Council for Technical Education (AICTE) and the syllabi of major affiliating universities in India. The areas of focus of NPTEL initiative is higher education, professional education, distance education, continuous and open learning. And the role played by various IITs and IICs to disseminate teaching learning content of high quality through all available media, in the sense it can be accessed either online, it can be downloaded, and the DVDs are also even available to us. The it is it's also its major role is for effective implementation of higher education in professional courses, and young or less experienced teachers are able to carry out their academic responsibilities effectively after going through various courses. The core beneficiaries of NPTEL are young and less experienced teachers. Large number of students who are not able to attend scholarly institution due to some reasons, maybe because of financial reasons also, and people who are employed in industries who are not able to take long leaves can undergo such type of courses at their convenience online, and can update their knowledge. They can nurture their skills, technical skills. And it is also beneficial to engineering students of getting the video lectures and the course contents. As on February 2015, 400 web courses and 459 video courses have been developed and hosted. And it is accessed freely through the website nptel.ac.in, and the video contents are available in MPG4, FLV, and 3GP formats. Let us now go to the NPTEL. I will go to the NPTEL video website and explain you what are the various offerings available here, and what can be done. So this is the NPTEL website. I will explain you what are the features, how it can be accessed, what are the benefits. Now, let us start with the video lectures first. So these are the various branches, right? From aerospace engineering to textile engineering are the various branches of engineering which are covered in NPTEL initiative. And let me go to one. Let's take one example of electronics and communication engineering. So if I want to access any course content of electronics and communication engineering, I have to click here. So when I click on electronics and communication engineering, the various subjects for which video lectures and notes are available will be displayed. So these are the various subjects for which video lectures and web contents are available. Here, when I say video, means the contents are available in video form, and when it is web, it means the lecture notes in the form of PDF files are available on the site. So let me take one example of digital circuit by Professor S. Srinivasan. So this is the name of the subject. Then video means we will find the video lectures corresponding to this subject. Name of the professor who is imparting in the classes in the video lectures is then is mentioned here. This professor is from IIT Madras, so that is also here. Now we have the syllabus. When we click on syllabus, we will get the syllabus of this particular subject, which is being taught by Professor S. Srinivasan. So these are the various topics which are covered in this particular course. If we click the reference, it's not available here right now. Okay. Then when I click on the course contents, So whatever all the approximately 40 number of video lectures will be available. These are the various topics on which the video lectures are available. Introduction to digital circuits, introduction to digital circuits twice. So if I want to view this video lectures online, so suppose I want to see the combinational circuits. So I will click on combinational circuits, and the video will start online after clicking this icon. Volume. स्पीड बहुत धीमी है. I think there is some problem with the speed of downloading, viewing this video lecture. So what I will do, I have one recording available of the same professor. I downloaded this file from the website. So this is initially the name of the subject, and the topics to be covered are displayed. This is lecture number 2, as can be seen here, and this is by Professor S. Srinivasan, Department of Electrical Engineering. So the contents of lectures are displayed in the beginning of each video lecture. So this was about a snapshot of what a lecture comprises of in NPTEL. In the initially you will find the name of the subject, the professor's name, lecture number, and the contents to be covered in the lecture. Then the lecture is there, and at the end of each lecture there will be and there will be assignments for the students. So and then thereafter there will be summary of the lecture which was taught in the video. So this was about the video lecture which is available. Now the other thing is now it is sometimes not always possible, as we can see that sometimes the internet connectivity is not good, the speed is not good. So what we can do is we can download the videos also. Now when we click on video download, then the download is available in three formats: MPG4, FLV, and 3GP format. Generally 3GP format will be useful for our mobile phones. So these are the various formats, and depending upon and accordingly, depending upon the size of the file, the clarity of the picture will also be good. So this was about the video lectures, and so then we have in a particular video lecture we will have three more additional things. These are under development. Now, in case we want to, we can also certify for a particular course of NPTEL. So what it does mean is, like if you want, if you have seen the video lectures, you can click on this particular registration for certification. We can register for certificate. It means we have to pay a online fees of 1,000 rupees per subject. Then we will watch all the video lectures, do the assignments, and we will appear for the examination. If we get and whatever is the result, it is sent to the students postal address. So this is one of the advantage that in addition to the students doing the course at say for example BTech or MTech level, and the student or a scholar can also get certification from NPTEL for a particular course. Now, then we have closed captioning is also available. If you click on closed captioning, it is available for some of the video lectures. So then you will get the captioning facility also available on, say, running on at the bottom of the video. Then if you click on the assignments, we will find that here 6 assignments are given. So we can attend to those assignments and get we can do the practice on the subject matter. Likewise, we have in some of the codes we will see that the type is web. When it is web, it means the codes and the video lectures are not available, but the notes are available. So I'm taking the example of this advanced antenna theory. Here, when we click on the syllabus, we'll find the syllabus, the contents of this particular course. So this is the course outline and number of hours to be spent. So approximately this course also comprises of 48 hours study. Then the references are given, what are the books to be referred to. Now, how do we access this web course? When we go to the course content, so these are the various topics which were mentioned in the syllabus. Now, when I want to have the course content of introduction and types of antennas, so I click on this, I will get the lectures. So these are the notes available. Lecture 1, introduction to page number 2, then so these are the four notes corresponding to lecture number 1. For lecture number 2, I have to click on this radiation mechanism. Lecture number 2. So this is how the written material can also be studied. Now there's one option available here, ask. If I click on ask, then I can ask questions to the um, professor who has prepared this course content. So when I type in the question here, I will post a new question. So this question will go to the concerned professor and it will be replied in a short period of time. Likewise, assignments are also available for the web courses. So here you will see that in addition to video lectures, lecture notes are also available for 36 topics. So this was one part of NPTEL, the video lectures and web courses. Now, this is the advantage of these video lectures and web courses is that the scholar can access these video lectures at its convenient time directly onto the web. Now, there are three ways of accessing the NPTEL. The first one is through DVDs. Like DVDs are also available. They have some partners with them. You can see like BTech Guru, My Open Courses and all that. So they are providing DVDs, downloaded DVDs from NPTEL. Second is directly downloading, which we have already seen. Like when I go to the video lecture, when I'm watching the video lecture, I can click on video download and I can download it in three formats, MPG, FLV and all the three formats are available. And then hard disks are also available. DVDs and hard disks are available. These are these are distributed to the institutions on request basis. Now, in addition to video lectures and our notes, there are additional facilities available on NPTEL website. The first one is speech to text conversion. In speech, when we click on this, there are many video lectures for which speech to text converted PDFs are also available. Say like these are the various branches for which video lectures are available and PDF are available. Like say for example, let's go to electronics and communication. Now PDFs available or not. It means like if I go to any of the topics like adaptive signal processing. So in adaptive video signal processing, these are the various topics on which video lectures are available. So these video lectures can also be downloaded from here. When I click on this, the video lecture will be downloaded. These are the PDF corresponding to the video lectures. Let me show you one of the PDF. So whatever the professor is speaking in the video lecture is available in the PDF form also. So this is how the professor was speaking, and that everything is available word by word in the PDF form. So this is because of the facility of speech to text conversion. Likewise, this is one facility, additional facility available. Say sometimes the students are not able to understand, then they can go to speech to text conversion and they can find some particular words corresponding to the video lectures. Now, the contents for gate preparation are also available on the on this particular website. Say the question papers, class 3 question papers are uploaded in the on this website. When I go to this gate preparation and click here, and then let me take example of electronics and communication, and I click on the 2013 question paper of GATE. So what I will find the solutions. Say, so this was the question which was asked in 2013, and these are the NPTEL references. If I click on this, I will get the reference of NPTEL video lectures or LPA contents where you will find the answer to this particular question. So the references for all the questions are available. Okay. We can also appear for the test, and we can check our score in a particular subject. Now, in my one of my slides, I told you that it is an ongoing process. Ongoing process in the sense it is being the various video lectures, the web contents are updated regularly. As we can see, these are the new courses. So in May, we can see that on 7th May, one discrete mathematics video was uploaded. It was a new video and it was uploaded on the website. So if you see here on in the month of May itself, 7 video lectures, new video lectures were loaded on the website. So it is growing every day. Every day, new video lectures are being prepared and are uploaded on the NPTEL website. So this was about the website, and if in case you want to, since the workshops are also available, continuous workshops are also available on this website. So if you click here and register for a particular web workshop, so that was the last workshop that was on 17th of April, and it is now closed because it's a older date. So workshop videos are also available here. If I click here, the workshop video will start. You can see the old recorded workshop videos also here. So this was about the NPTEL video website. So this now let me explore you what we have been doing in our institution. What NPTEL activities we have implemented at my college. So what we have done is we have been pursuing our students with regular seminars to go to the website, we discuss about the video lectures, web contents available on the NPTEL videos, NPTEL website with the students. Each faculty member is motivating a student in their own classes about their topic, the subject for which the video lecture or the course contents are available. They are discussing with the students. They generally have all the video lectures available downloaded into their pen drives. They getting copy the video lectures to the students' pen drives and are motivating students to do this video lecture assignments, to see the video lectures on regular basis. It should be done on regular basis. You have to make some plan for viewing the video lecture, otherwise it will not be of any use to us. So they have to see it on daily basis and in a planned way. And for the benefit of the students, what we have done is we have downloaded, we are actually in our college, we have 4 branches: civil, electronics, computers, and mechanical. So what we have done, we have downloaded all the concerned video lectures of NPTEL relevant to all the branches and relevant to the course curriculum of our college, and we have uploaded them onto our website. On our FTP server. The server is centralized and we have approximately 500 computers connected to the server. Students can go to the server, and so this is the address. It's mentioned here, number 92.168.3. They click on this FTP server address and they will get this particular directory. So when a student goes to and click NPTEL video lecture, so the various branches will appear, and say civil, computer science, electronics, mechanical, and some physics additional useful video lectures have been loaded here. Now when the student clicks on ECE, then all the video lectures which are relevant to our course are say uploaded here subject wise. So analog electron signal processing, in the folder you will find all the video lectures of NPTEL relevant to our course curriculum. Likewise for basic electronic circuit theory, communication engineering, and sometimes the semesters are also mentioned. So this was about the NPTEL, its course contents, its usefulness, its usefulness to the students of the college. It's also useful for the people who are working in corporates and they want to nurture their skills related to a particular topic. They can also get the certification for a particular topic. And likewise, and some students who are not able to pursue higher education because of maybe financial concerns or reasons, they can also say get their skills, nurture their skills by going to the website and get acquainted with the intricacies of various subjects, various branches, various topics, and various fields. So a successful educational leader holds the key to unlock a vision. These are my contact details. Yeah, any questions related to this particular webinar?
Hello. Hello. Hello, sir.
So one of the question is, what is the link between NME, ICT and NPTEL? So the NME stands for National Mission on yes. So, a national mission on education through ICT, it is it is a mission which is initiated by the government of India, and it is the core body of government of India which is say overviewing this particular initiative. Okay, the next question is there any special methods adopted to make these lectures reach students in a better way? When we are talking of the students of our college, so one initiative which we have done at our college is through uploading all the video lectures on the centralized server, wherein the students can students can go and view the video lectures. First thing. Secondly, the various video lectures can be copied onto the pen drives or DVDs of the students, so they can so they need not go to um, the internet again and again, and then they can watch the video lectures at their convenience at their home also. The next question is how do you integrate this with the regular classes? What we can do is in our curriculum, what we can do is for some of we can include, like, it cannot be done, it cannot be do like we cannot do it like this, that all the video lecture you can cannot show the video lecture in all the classes, otherwise that what's the role of the teacher. So what we can do is the important part of the video lectures can be shown in the concerned classes, the topic which you are teaching. Only the say 5 minutes 10 minutes video lectures can be shown to the students, that this is the content, these are the important points which the professor of IIT is explaining in the video lectures. Then the students are motivated to see the entire lecture at their home, and then they can revise it also at their home. So in this way, we can integrate the video lectures with our regular classes. So the one question is, which one is more effective, NME ICT or NPTEL? Okay, NPTEL is the joint initiative of the 7 IITs and IISc Bangalore, which are um, actually doing the groundwork. They are actually involved in preparing the video lectures. Their professors are involved in imparting the video lectures and are being recorded and are being uploaded onto the NPTEL website. And NMECITI is not doing this part. They are not into the teaching part. They are the supervisory body of Government of India. Now again, one more question is how NPTEL content is made available in classrooms. So as I've already discussed, during a particular lecture, when a topic is being taught by a professor in the class, in a part of the video lecture can be shown to the say out of 1 hour, say 5 minutes or 10 minutes of video lecture concerning that particular topic can be shown to the student in the class, and this in this way, and the NPTEL content can be made available in the classroom, and then the student has to motivate the student, like, this is the video lecture, you can go to the you can copy it from me, you can you should revise it at home, you can see it at your home. And this way the benefits of NPTEL video contents, video lectures and video contents, and the web contents can be of use to the students. Yes, one more question. Did you find your students taking interest in NPTEL? Yes, the students are highly motivated to have the integrated teaching. Integrated teaching in the sense, like, teaching a topic in the class. Now my class will are not being recorded. So my once my lecture is over, okay, I can give the notes to the students, and they can read the student read or revise the contents of my notes at home. But the video lectures of NPTEL can be seen by the student at their home any number of times. They can pause it, make notes, draw the diagrams, and then they can again run the video lecture. And it can be done in conveniently at their own time, and that is also again free of cost. Yes. One more question. Do you get NPTEL video free of cost? Yes, it is free of cost. Anybody can log in and get it downloaded from the NPTEL website, as we have discussed in our webinar, at any time. So it is available free of cost. It can be copied. Again, it can be copied n number of times for n number of students in the class. So this is an entirely free of cost package available from this consortium of IITs and ISCs, ISC Bangalore. There is one more question. How can I show 10 minutes or 15 minutes of video lectures? In our smart classrooms, we have speakers available, and the projectors are also even available. And during the video lecture, whenever it is a right time, we can we carry our laptops and pen drives. We can connect them and show to the students. In this way, we can show the video lecture, the concern and the most important parts of the video lectures corresponding the topic which is being taught in the class can be shown to the students.